Right, this one written by a guitarist called Can't Get Through to You, which I won't be the case tonight. Girl, you think it's just a game, a silent shadow, no one knows your name. I know just how you feel, girl, but what am I to do? A slave to my emotion, just like you. And as you press upon my heart, resistance places parts. I can't help it, something isn't right. Words I cannot say, they quickly fade away, and I wish that you could understand my plight. 'Cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. No matter what I say or do, 'cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. Oh, I can't get through to you. I see those desperate eyes, girl, affecting all your dreams. You must believe things aren't so wide to seem. You think that you're alone, girl, only wishing you. I'm in the same predicament as you. And as you press upon my heart, resistance places parts. I can't help it, something isn't right. Words I cannot say, they quickly fade away, and I wish that you could understand my plight. 'Cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. No matter what I say or do, 'cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. Oh, I can't get through to you. Try this. Once again my heart begins to burn. Oh yeah, 'cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. No matter what I say or do, 'cause I try and I try, but I just can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. Can't get through to you. I 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 can't get through to you.